Stick around because these strategies could transform your side hustle into a serious source of income. Hey everyone, I'm Sylus, an entrepreneur and founder of 26 King Wavy Merch. I make natural hair care and skincare products for men and women. My brand grew over to $1 million in sales, but one of the biggest lessons I learned along the way is the power of social media. In 2025, social media just isn't a platform to stay connected. It's one of the most powerful tools for generating income. Whether you're a content creator, a small business owner, or someone looking for a side hustle, today I'm going to share with you how to make an extra $5,000 a month from platforms you already use. Now let's dive in. Step 1, choose the right platform for your audience. The first step is to choose the right social media platform based on your audience and goals. Not every platform works for every niche. Here's some key takeaways. TikTok and Instagrams are great for visual and trending content. YouTube works well for tutorials and long form content. LinkedIn, perfect for B2B services or consulting gigs. What worked for me? When I was scaling 26 King Wavy, Instagram and TikTok were key to engaging my audience. Hair care is highly visual, so those platforms help me showcase transformations and product results. Ask yourself, where does your ideal audience spend majority of their time? Start there and focus your efforts. Think about this. Are you on the same platform as your target audience? If not, you possibly leaving money on the table. Step 2, create high value content that solves the problem. Once you pick your platform, time to create content that grabs attention and delivers value. People follow accounts that educate, entertain, or inspire them. Teach your audience something useful. For example, I shared hair care tips and I even shaved my head bald, starting my journey all over from scratch. Showed my audience transformation over time and which a product and styling tutorials that align with my product. Focus on consistent posting. Consistency is key. Quality content, regular posts, trust and visibility amongst your audience. You can use tools like Canva to create professional graphic, or my favorite, CapCut for video editing. Don't overcomplicate it. Just make sure your content looks polished and on brand. Here's a quick question. Is your content answering a question or solving a problem for your audience? If not, it's probably time that you rethink that strategy. Step 3, monetize with multiple revenue streams. You don't need 1 million followers to start making money. You just need to implement the right monetization strategy. Here's how to monetize your social media. Affiliate marketing. Partner with brand and earn commissions for promoting their product. Number 2, sponsored posts. Work with companies who want to reach your audience. Number 3, sell your own products. That's what I did with 26 King Wavy. It was a game changer. And lastly, number 4, offer some digital products or services. Offer ebooks or courses or consultations related to your niche. Now, what you can do is you can start small, try affiliate links or selling a simple digital product. Use platforms like Gumroad to get started. Ask yourself this: how many ways are you monetizing your audience? If the answer is just one, you're leaving money on the table. Step 4, build trust through engagement. Social media just isn't about posting or flexing on folks. It's about building relationships. Trust is what turns followers into paying customers. Some key strategies that are simple, but most people overlook: respond to comments and DMs. Who is you? You're not too good to comment on somebody that liked or said something nice about your post. Use polls, Q&A, stickers, or live stream to engage directly with your audience. Also, you can share some behind the scenes content to make your brand more relatable. What I've learned, and people see the human side of your business, they're most likely to trust and buy from you. Here's a challenge. When was the last time you engaged with your audience? Building trust starts with showing up. Step 5, use paid ads to scale faster. I don't know how many times I gotta mention it. Organic reach is powerful, but if you want to scale quickly, paid ads are the way to go. So how to get started with ads? Start with a small budget, about $10 to $20 a day, and test different ad creatives. Focus on retargeting people who've interacted with your content but just haven't made a purchase. Use platforms like Facebook Ads Manager or TikTok ads to run campaigns. Here's a pro tip: video ads perform better than static images in 2025. So invest some time in creating short, engaging clips. Think about this: Are you reaching enough people to hit your 5K goal? Paid ads can give you that extra push. Now, which are these steps you excited to try first? Let me know in the comment section down below. And if you're already using social media to generate income, share your favorite platform and strategy. We love to hear it. As a bonus, here's a final tip. Focus on community over numbers. It's not about how many followers you have. It's about how engaged they are. A smaller, loyal audience will bring in more revenue than a large, disengaged one. Now, if you want more tips to building an engaged community, let me know in the comment and I'll create a full video on it. Now, let's quickly recap on how to make 5K a month from your social media. Number 1, choose the right platform for your audience. Number 2, create high value content that solves a problem. Number 3, monetize with multiple revenue streams. Number 4, build trust through engagement. Number 5, use paid ads to scale fast. Now, if this video inspired you, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on all notifications so you don't miss out on future tips. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.